So here, guys, we're standing next to the laser welding machine. Miss Haley telling me that it's 3-in-1. Like this
Yeah.
machine has 3 functions in one. So what are those 3 functions, Haley?
It can
Weld.
welding, cleaning, and cutting.
Welding, cleaning, cutting.
Yeah.
Okay. Only this? These two times. Oh, how much is this, Haley?
It's about $5,000 up to $10,000.
$5,000 to $10,000.
Yeah.
Amazing. Can it see its action? Can we? Can we see
Yeah,
that
yeah,
in
yeah.
action? Okay, please, sir. Okay.
Mr. Yang will show
Mr.
you.
Yan, yeah, Mr. Yan. Here we go.
See the little head.
Yeah, we have a hand and it looks like a gun.
It's a little south, the three power. Okay.
1,000?
Laser south.
Oh, okay. All right, so we are checking this. Amazing. All right, let's go.
See the red light.
Yeah, I see the red light. I see the red light. Yeah, I see that. I see the red light.
And this is on the
Welding, cleaning,
just,
cutting. Now you wanna weld those small parts, right? Those
2 millimeter.
2 mm parts. Okay.
不有啊
Stainless steel.
Stainless steel.
Yeah,
Okay,
it's
2 millimeters.
stainless
So
steel.
you wanna weld them.
Its meaning is welding.
Yeah, welding. Welding
Yeah.
this 2 millimeter stainless steel, guys. Look. Okay, so Mr. Yan putting it there. Okay, let's see what result we're gonna get together. Oh, amazing. Here we go. Okay.
It's
I think Mr. Yan needs protective glasses to
we
protect
have.
his glasses.
effect.
It's hot. Oh,
It can weld single or double.
yeah, and then we need to polish them, and
Yeah,
paint. Yeah, polish and paint to have some nice thing we need. Okay, very good, amazing. So, welding,
It's,
cutting, cleaning. How
Yeah.
cleaning? Oh, it also can
Cleaning.
clean, right? So you kind of polish it. Yeah, yeah, I understood. Understood everything. Very good. Okay, thank you. Very good. What's next?
Can need to exchange the software.
Oh, again, exchanging
Yes,
the
welder
software.
to cleaning.
Welding, yeah, and then we go to
Yeah.
And here
yeah.
we change the language.
Which English? Oh, you have how many languages you have there? Sorry, English, Russian, Deutsch. Okay, very good.
And you can
Okay, you operate with the screen. Very. Oh, I see. Very nice. Very okay. 1, 2, 3. No, I mean it's easy. It's easy to click and it's working perfectly.
It's very easy.
Yeah, easy to click. 666-888. I don't understand what is this anyway. Mr. Yan knows. Mr. Yan knows. 他知道怎么走，我不知道。
We have video or files to
Yeah, perfect.
show you.
Yeah, we're doing this. No worries. Yeah.
This
the
is
power
it.
2000.
The max, probably laser ray. Okay, I got it.
Yeah.
I don't understand, so I'm not the specialist. Our clients are gonna be the specialists. They know everything, but I'm not aware of
You
anything.
can see that it's
He-
weather.
Okay. Password. You need the password, right? Oh, 666.
Yeah.
No. Okay, clean.
You can change
Oh, you
the
head.
head.
You change the head.
the yeah.
So for the cleaning stuff, okay. Oh, Mr. Livan is also here.
清洗模式需要换镜片和喷嘴。
You can change the project length and the nozzle. We need no dust. 环境怎么说
Environment.
？Environment.
No dust
environment.
environment. Okay. To have more protection for it. Perfect.
The project learns very clean.
That's amazing. Continue.
磨深啊，对。
Again.
Okay, just this.
Yeah, let's clean that. That's better idea.
Out.
So choosing the mode again. Wow.
It's
Amazing.
80 wells.
Wow. That's fantastic, guys.
Okay.
Bravo. That's fantastic. That's really
can
fun.
use the black glasses to protect our eyes because the light is
That's amazing.
it's very hot.
Yeah, I know. No need to touch.
Okay. Welding, clean.
Welding, cleaning, and
Cutting,
cutting.
cutting.
Cutting, I bet we already have cutting. The same result. It just will have this cutting, right? It's okay. Cutting is okay. Maybe.
Okay.
Yeah, fine. We
yes.
understand. So you will just cut it. Okay, I
Yes,
understand.
yes.
Yeah, easy.
Change the nozzle. The
Yeah,
cutting
you
nozzle.
cutting nozzle and
Yeah.
start cutting. Yeah, this cleaning was awesome. This
yeah.
really worth buying. This really worth buying. This is it's an amazing machine. This is the first time I've seen this in my life.
It's very easy to.
Operate
Yeah, yeah,
operate. Easy to operate.
Ah.
Guys, please contact. Let's start buying these machines. I will give the contact. I will get in touch with Haley. So let's start selling this. Let's start buying this machine, guys. Okay.
Okay, good to see you.
Thank you. 谢谢。